A. Say with me. A is for astronaut. B. Say with me. B is for book. C. Say with me. C is for coconut. D. Say with me. D is for dice. E. Say with me. E is for excavator. F. Say with me. F is for feather. G. Say with me. G is for garden. H. Say with me. H is for hedgehog. I. Say with me. I is for igloo. J. Say with me. J is for jewel. K. Say with me. K is for kite. L. Say with me. L is for lollipop. M. Say with me. M is for mittens. N. Say with me. N is for nutcracker. O. Say with me. O is for onion. P. Say with me. P is for popcorn. Q. Say with me. Q is for quokka. R. Say with me. R is for rain. S. Say with me. S is for shell. T. Say with me. T is for tent. U. Say with me. U is for umbrella. V. Say with me. V is for volcano. W. Say with me. W is for windmill. X. Say with me. X is for extra fish. Y. Say with me. Y is for yogurt. Z. Say with me. Z is for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.